To redeem Ulta points online, start by logging into your Ulta account on the Ulta website. If you do not have an account, create one and make sure you have signed up for the Ultimate Rewards program to earn and redeem points. Once logged in, navigate to the Ultimate Rewards section of your account. Here you will see your current point balance and any available rewards. Make sure you have enough points to redeem for a reward, as the minimum redemption is typically 100 points for $3 off. Next, browse the Ulta website for products you would like to purchase. As you shop, add items to your online shopping cart. When you are ready to check out, proceed to the payment section. In the payment section, you will see an option to apply your Ultimate Rewards points. Select the amount of points you would like to apply to your purchase, keeping in mind that 100 points equals $3 off. Apply the points to your purchase and continue with the checkout process. You will see the discount reflected in your order summary before completing your purchase. It is also important to note that Ulta points expire 1 year from the date they were earned, so be sure to redeem them before they expire. Additionally, points can only be redeemed on purchases made online or in store, and cannot be used to purchase gift cards or certain other items. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Ulta points online and start saving on your favorite beauty products. Remember to always check your point balance and expiration dates to get the most out of the Ultimate Rewards program.